y'all, it's Badia, and in this video I will be showing you how I add my logo onto my t-shirts using my heat press machine. In this video I didn't talk a lot about my heat press machine, but I did want to insert some pictures for you all so that you can see what it looked like up close. I got it off of Amazon. It didn't take a long time to get here. And this is what it looks like. I got it in blue. I'm pretty sure you can get it in black. And I will talk about it more in another video, but this video is just showing you how I press my logos onto my shirts using my heat press machine. Stay tuned though, because in the next video I will be talking more about my brand and my logo, just discussing how I came up with the idea and the vision and where I got the name from. So you won't get all that information in this video, but please be looking out for the next video so that you can learn more about it. I want to take you guys on this journey with me because it is a part of my life and it means a lot to me, and it's a story behind everything, right? So I'm pretty sure you want to stay tuned for that story. Okay, so here you will see that I am just pulling apart my feel-free vinyls. I got these made at my auntie house. She also has her own t-shirt business. She does mugs, cups, everything, and she helped me print these off with her Cricut machine. This is also the eye that goes with my logo as well. It's going to be on the back of the shirt. We printed this off using her sublimation printer. So I want to say thank you, Auntie, for letting me use your stuff until I get my own stuff. And I really appreciate that. I will leave her information down below in the description box. So if you want shirts made, please hit her up. Okay, y'all. So I won't be talking this whole video, but for certain parts that I need to break down for y'all, I will come in and out and tell you what I'm doing. So here I'm just looking at my different shirts because for the eye logo that I have, and it's a sublimation, you can only put those on polyester shirts. Not saying you can't put them on cotton shirts, but on the polyester shirts, they show up way better. The color is more vibrant and bright. But if you was to put that on a cotton shirt, you will see that it looks more faded and washed out. And I will be showing you guys the difference between polyester and cotton when I do press my eye logo on the back of it. I did forget to mention that I put my heat press machine on 315 for the temperature and 15 seconds for the timer. Right now I am putting my heat press sheet on so that I can press it for maybe 10 seconds to get any of the excess oils out before I actually put my logo on. Okay, now that I'm done getting any of the excess oil out of the shirt, I'm going to put my Feel Free logo in the left hand corner. I don't have anything to help me make sure it's lined up right, but I am going to get one of those tools that help you center your logos very soon. Right now I just kind of wing it and do it myself. And it's just that simple. So you're just going to line up your logo as best as you can on your shirt if you don't have the tool like I don't. And then you're going to grab your protecting heat press sheet and put on top of it. Take the top of the machine, hold it down. You can either lock it. In the video I will lock it a few times, but most of the time I am just holding it down myself with pressure. And it's only 15 seconds, so the timer kind of run out really quick. Once I hold it down, the timer will go off, letting me know to lift it back up. I do always go back and hold it for like 5 more seconds. I could change my timer to 20 seconds, but I don't. I'm eventually going to do that. I just kind of press it down a little longer and then pull it back up to make sure it's actually on there perfectly. And that's it. As you can see, we have newcomers in the video, Baby Sky and my cousin Brianna. So you will be seeing them throughout the video. She will be trying on a shirt for me. And yes. Don't be surprised, I did insert a few pictures while we wait on the heat press to press my logo. So yeah, I was modeling my shirt. You can't see it that clearly, but I mean, I tried. Y'all, it looks so good. Here is the final product of it. And I must say, vinyl is my favorite. My cousin is trying it on for me, and I freaking love it, okay? I love my feel free in vinyl. Okay, so I'm going to speed this part up because it's just going to be the same thing I just did. I'm just going to do it on a different shirt. This time on the cotton shirt, but it's going to still turn out the same way because I am using the vinyl. Now when I get to the eye logo, because it's sublimation, it will be different. But the vinyl turns out the same on cotton or polyester. So I'm about to do the same thing, just this time on a gray shirt instead of a white shirt. I'm putting a black feel-free vinyl on my gray shirt this time. I normally do white vinyls on the gray shirt. They turn out really good and I like the white, but I want to make sure I have different options. So if people want to order the black and gray shirts, then that will be available. But if you want the gray shirt with the white vinyl, then that will be available as well. I wanted to mention that I will have different designs as well. It won't just be gray and white shirts with my logo on them. I will have hoodies. I will be doing a tie-dye collection as well, and I'll talk about more of this stuff in my next video. but I will have different things than just t-shirts. While I am waiting on the temperature to go up, I am just going to play around a little bit. So I'm trying on one of my shirts, just see how they look, and they look good. It look real good with these red jogging pants too. I know I'm not the only one who noticed this, but in the middle of my plate on my heat press machine, it's like poking up. I guess that happened because of the temperature was so high that it kind of popped up. So I don't know if that's just this heat press machine or if anybody else has done that, but yeah. So as you can see, this is the sublimation eye on the cotton shirt, and the first one I showed you was on the polyester shirt. So I'm going to show you again the difference between the two. This one is the polyester shirt with the sublimation, and it's so much brighter and vibrant. And this one is the cotton shirt with the sublimation on it, and is not that popping. Get what I'm saying? One more thing, I did not know that the eyebrow on these last couple of shirts I did not press all the way through like the first one did, so it's kind of faded in the eyebrow part. But I didn't notice it until after I looked at them after I was done doing the video. The next video will be more about my brand and my ideas, so stay tuned.